आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। धर्म संस्थापना के देवता भगवान श्री कृष्ण के चरणों में मेरा नमन। वुड लाइक टू थैंक विक्रम संपत जी एंड अर्थ फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सच अ ब्यूटीफुल इवेंट and for creating such a panel so that we can have diverse views. First of all, I would like to say that as a right-wing Hindu intellectual, I do not believe, and I strongly am saying this, I do not believe in the concept of uniform civil code. Uniform civil code is completely a hoax, and I am today telling it on your panel that if uniform civil code is implemented, many of the provisions of uniform civil code will go against the majority community, as my friend Sai Deepak has told. And I would also like to tell you that in 2018 the Law Commission had returned the proposal of uniform civil code because we do not know, as Sai Deepak has rightly told, the areas on which there has to be uniformity. First of all, we have to understand that when we are talking about uniform civil code, we must ask ourselves this question, that what are the subjects on which we are asking for uniformity? And through my study and research, and as far as my knowledge goes, I personally believe and feel that there is one area where I, as a citizen of this country, need uniformity. And let me put it in perspective. And I want to ask a question to all of you, that आपने क्या किसी देश में ऐसा कानून देखा है कि अगर कोई ऑफेंस कोई आदमी करे तो वो एक धर्म के लिए ऑफेंस होगा, दूसरे धर्म के लिए ऑफेंस नहीं होगा? अगर क्रिमिनल लॉ का सबसे बेसिक सिद्धांत है कि क्रिमिनल लॉ सबके लिए यूनिफॉर्म होगा। मतलब अगर आज कोई आदमी चोरी करेगा तो अगर वो चोरी हिंदू करता है तो उसके लिए ऑफेंस है, क्रिश्चियन करता है, मुस्लिम करता है, कोई भी आदमी करता है, इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ हिज रिलीजन, वो ऑफेंस रहेगा। पर भारतीय आईपीसी में, इंडियन पीनल कोड में, देयर इज अ प्रोविजन, एंड प्लीज रीड इट एंड करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, सेक्शन 494 ऑफ द आईपीसी। सेक्शन 494 ऑफ द आईपीसी में, if a Muslim is having more than one marriage, it's not an offense, it's exempted under section 494 IPC, while if a Hindu is marrying more than once, it's an offense under IPC. Bigamic offense hai. So I personally believe, and I filed a petition also in the Supreme Court. The 5 judges of the Supreme Court have issued notice in the matter, and I am only saying that please bring uniformity in the penal laws. If bigamy is an offense, it has to be an offense for a Hindu also, it has to be an offense for a Muslim also, for a Christian also. You cannot have this kind of an exemption on the basis of religion. And apart from this number of marriage, I do not see any area where I feel or believe that there has to be uniformity. I am not here to sort out or make the things of, मैं किसी और आदमी के घर को ठीक करने के लिए नहीं बैठा हूँ, मैं यहाँ पे अपने घर को ठीक करने बैठा हूँ। मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरा सनातन धर्म जो अजर अमर है वो अजर अमर रहे, और उसमें जो डिफिकल्टीज हैं उसको मैं रिमूव करूँ, मैं उसके लिए यहाँ बैठा हूँ।